Penguins are cute and entertaining to watch. The way they waddle, swim and talk is fascinating. Today we share some interesting facts about these flightless seabirds, so stay tuned! Did you know that penguins are birds? But they can't and don't fly. They're flightless seabirds. Unlike other birds who use their wings for flying, penguins have flippers that help them swim in water. In fact, they're expert swimmers. Their normal swimming speed is about 15 miles per hour, or around 24 kilometers per hour. This is 3 times faster than the fastest human swimmer. Penguins are known to swim as fast as the bottlenose dolphins. Their streamlined body shape allows them to swim fast. Have you noticed that although penguins vary in size and shape, they all have white bellies and black bodies? This tuxedo look works as a protective camouflage called countershading, allowing the penguins to hide from predators while they swim. Their black backs help them blend with the darkness of the ocean from predators viewing from above. On the other side, their white bellies blend in with the bright ocean surface, hiding them from potential predators that hide from below. The main threats for penguins in water are leopard seals, fur seals, sea lions, sharks, and killer whales. Penguins spend most of their lives in the ocean. They're carnivores, meaning that they feed on other animals, such as fish, crabs, squid, and krill. On land, penguins waddle, hop or run. They use their tails and wings to maintain balance. Polar penguins can travel long distances relatively quickly while tobogganing or sliding across the ice on their bellies, pushing forward with their feet. Penguins huddle together in large colonies, protecting themselves from predators as well as keeping warm. Most penguins lay their eggs ashore, and parents take turns to warm the eggs and then feed and protect the chicks when they hatch. Did you know that penguins can drink salt water? Because they have a salt gland called the supraorbital gland, which filters excess salt from the bloodstream and expels it from the nasal passages. Most penguins live in the icy waters around Antarctica, with only one exception, the Galapagos penguins that live north of the equator. There are 26 different species of penguins, with emperor penguins being the largest and tallest of all penguins. They live in Antarctica. They are about 1 meter 22 centimeters tall and weigh between 20 to 45 kilograms. Emperor penguins can dive deeper than any other bird. However, their population is threatened with extinction.